Hello learners, today we can learn about past perfect progressive tense. The past perfect progressive tense is used to describe an action that started and continued over a period of time in the past. For example, I had been playing basketball all morning. To describe an action which started, continued and finished in the past before another past action. Second example, we had been waiting for John for an hour before he finally arrived. This tense takes the form had plus been plus verb plus ing. Complete the sentences using the verb from the box in the past perfect progressive tense.